Welcome back to Nirmal Technical, your go-to channel for all things tech. In this video, we're going to explore the ins and outs of Ansible installation on a Linux server. Ansible is a powerful tool that allows you to automate various tasks, making your life as a sysadmin or a developer so much easier. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer in the tech world, understanding how to install Ansible is crucial in streamlining your workflow. So, let's jump right into it. Transition. Before we dive into the installation process, let's quickly touch upon what Ansible is all about. Ansible is an open-source IT automation tool that helps you manage your infrastructure as code. It allows you to automate deployments, configuration management, and orchestration of your servers and services. With Ansible, you can say goodbye to manual, repetitive tasks, and embrace the power of automation. Main content. Step 1. Update your Linux server. To ensure a smooth installation process, it's essential to begin by updating your Linux server. Open up your terminal and run the necessary update commands. This step ensures that you have the latest packages and dependencies before moving forward. Step 2. Install Ansible package. Once your server is updated, you're ready to install Ansible. Fortunately, Ansible is available through various package managers. Depending on your Linux distribution, you can use apt, yum, or dnf to install Ansible easily. We'll walk you through each installation method, so don't worry if you're not familiar with them. Step 3. Configuration setup. Now that Ansible is installed, it's time to set up the necessary configurations. You'll need to create an inventory file, where you define the hosts and groups you want Ansible to manage. Additionally, we'll cover how to generate SSH keys and establish a secure connection between your control machine and the managed hosts. Step 4. Testing Ansible. Congratulations on completing the installation and configuration steps. Now, it's time to put Ansible to the test. We'll guide you through running your first Ansible command, demonstrating how you can use it to execute tasks on remote hosts effortlessly. Prepare to witness the magic of Ansible in action. Step 5. Advanced Ansible features. Ready to take your Ansible skills to the next level? We'll introduce you to some advanced Ansible features, such as playbooks and roles. Playbooks allow you to orchestrate complex tasks, while roles enable you to organize your code and make it more reusable. Call to actions. Now that you've learned the ropes of Ansible installation, it's time to get your hands dirty. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful and share it with fellow tech enthusiasts who could benefit from mastering Ansible. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments section below. Remember, knowledge is meant to be shared. Closing statement. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope this comprehensive guide on Ansible installation has empowered you to boost your productivity and efficiency. By automating tasks and managing your infrastructure as code, you'll be able to save valuable time and focus on what truly matters. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep innovating. Until next time, stay tuned to Nirmal Technical for more exciting tech tutorials and guides. Happy automating!